Hello and welcome back to Profiting from PLR. Now in this video, we're going to talk some specifics about direct monetization of your PLR. Now, of course, you can bundle and sell your PLR. That is one direct method of monetization, but it is not the only way. So let's talk about how you can monetize PLR. One thing that you can do is to create a membership site that drip feeds the content to your members and that really gives them content to help them to solve their problem. So you are delivering the same content, but you're giving it to them and you're putting it behind a paywall. Now, you might need to change the form to video. You might need to change the form to an interview. You want to make it special. You want to make sure that people have a reason to stay in the membership, but you're using your private label rights content to create a membership because the membership is based on the content that, again, PLR allows you to have content that you don't have to sit down and write and research, right? So now the second thing you can do is, we talked about this before, you can resell basic selling rights to the content. In other words, all you're doing is you're just telling to someone, hey, you can now sell this content if you like. If you can now sell this to your network of friends and associates. So reselling the basic rights allows you to do that, and people will buy the rights in order to resell good content. Okay, now you can offer the product as a bonus item to be purchased at a discount. In other words, you want to give people a reason to make decisions faster, and the more that you give them in exchange for whatever it is, the price that you're asking, this will help you to sell more and to sell it faster. So offering your product, your private label rights content as a bonus. You should all the time be looking to combine private label rights products to create a product of your own, or a custom package. As it says here, you do have to be careful of what the rights are that you have. You want to read through the rights carefully. But what you can do is you can get different private label rights, master resale rights products. You can put them together and you can make something that is totally unique. And you want to do this, again, with multiple products, and typically no one product addresses all the problems that you know about on the subject. So start thinking about how you would solve all those problems and how you would bring together the people in order to solve them, or the information. Now, you can also provide your product to your subscribers or high-level customers at a discount. Okay, now again, what you're doing is you are giving them the opportunity to get something new, something that they cannot get otherwise. And once again, this is either for people who you perceive to be your best customers, your subscribers, but it's got to be some grouping that allows you to give to them and not give to others if you're really going to benefit from seeing PLR and you're going to give that product away to people that are associated with you. You've sort of got to have a separation between your customers, your subscribers, your prospects, customers, and your prospects. Right, so just the prospects, they probably don't necessarily make the cut, but everyone else does who buys from you and who is working with you on a daily basis. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.